We had won nationals in Hyderabad. There were 19 states. Goa scored 55 gold medals and 41 silver medals. This is because of our coaches. They supported us a lot, and we are interested in going to the international also because of our coaches. They guided us throughout, and we got the chance to take part in nationals, and Goa got trophy in throughout the 19 states. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Shilpa Paliswaran. We had our nationals at Hyderabad, Telangana. We had overall 90 students participating from Goa, and there were overall 19 states from all over India, and we have been had a first place in entire 19 states. So I am been proudly saying that Goa stands first in overall all states who have been participated at Hyderabad Nationals Telangana. And I'm very grateful to all our coaches who have been guiding us throughout our journey and who have supported us, and we have won all the medals. And thankful to our parents for supporting us and sending us to the nationals. Thank you everyone.